Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Node, JS and NPM, a built static site or SBA, and an HTTPS-capable dev server. Now initialize a minimal project and install Workbox or a simple service worker template. Once done, create manifest. JSON with name, short name, icons, start URL, display, and theme color so devices recognize your app. Make sure to place icons in multiple sizes, 192, 512. Register a service worker in your main JS entry so the browser you now build the service worker logic. Register it, then implement and install event to pre-cache the app shell and necessary assets. Use a clear cache naming scheme so you can activate new versions cleanly. During activate, delete old caches. Once installed, handle fetch events with a strategy: cache first for assets, network first for API calls, so offline works without stale data dominating. Make sure to test updates by incrementing cache version and triggering skip waiting/clients. Claim to control lifecycle. You finish by validating installability. Correct manifest fields, valid icons, service worker scope, and secure hosting. Run Lighthouse and fix any accessibility or best practice flags. Once passing, users can add to home screen. If something goes wrong, check console for scope or MIME errors, clear site storage, and update cache names to force a fresh service worker activation. Make sure to monitor update flow and provide a UI prompt when a new version is ready, so users can refresh without data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.